video where we are learning about price patterns. Today we are going to learn about a couple of patterns. First one is ascending flag pattern. Ascending flag pattern occurs when price sharply moves up, then hits a resistance, comes down, makes a support, and keeps moving to and fro in that range itself. So it looks like a flag, as in this is the pole of the flag and this is the cloth part of the flag, right? And once it breaks that zone, the zone where it was moving in a to and fro fashion, then you enter the trade. Your stop loss can be 3 to 4% of your capital, and your target would be as many points covered by the pole of the flag. I mean, after breaking the zone, it would move that many points. So let's look into an example. This is an example of MRF. If you can see here, the prices started going up around 50,000 levels. Yeah, and MRF is the most expensive stock present in the Indian stock market. You can see here the price moved up sharply at this point, and then it started falling down, and it sort of created a zone. And once it broke the zone at this point, it went up, right? And it went up to 80,000. So this was ascending flag. Next, we will look into another pattern called the descending flag pattern. This is a bearish pattern. Here, the prices first go down sharply and then moves in a to and fro fashion in a zone, such that this looks like the pole of the flag, and this zone looks like the cloth part of the flag. And once it breaks this zone, you need to sell here. The price is expected to move as many points as the pole of the flag, or you can also say the next immediate support. Your stop loss again can be around 3 to 4% of your capital. Let's look into an example. This is a chart of Lincoln Pharma. You can see here the price went down sharply and then it started rising such that it created a zone. This can be the pole of the flag and this is the cloth part of the flag. And once it broke the zone, look at the price going down sharply. When it broke the zone, it was around in 190s, and once it broke it, it went down till 90s. So it fell around 50%. So these were the flag patterns that we were going to discuss in this video. I'll come up with more patterns in the upcoming videos. Keep watching, take care.